Alright, so if you have a Mercedes and the windows won't come down, they don't roll down, there is a computer that controls that needs to reset. So the best thing to do is pull the seat out. There's these little holes here, and on the bottom of the seat there's these little cutaways. You just put your finger in there and push that together and the seat will pull up. You want to pull the seat all the way out, and then your battery's over here. Let me get over here, I'll show you. So the battery's on this side. So if you take the positive terminal off and just basically unhook it for a minute, you're going to need a 13, and you can just stick it on there, unscrew it, pull it off for a minute, and just leave it off for just a little bit. Probably give it like a good full 2 minutes, and then you want to hook everything back up, and then once you do that, put the key in the ignition, don't crank the car all the way, and try to roll down the windows. Sometimes you might have to hold it for a second, and it should roll down and then come right back up and you'll be good. Alright, so that is a quick fix for a Mercedes, but it's for a lot of the different models. This is an E430, and it's my wife's car. Yeah, so that'll fix that. So yeah, pull the battery terminal off and leave it off for a minute. Plug it back in, put the key in the ignition, turn it, but don't crank, and then hit the windows. It should work. It'll reset that computer that controls the windows and stuff, and then you'll be good. Alright, so I gotta put the seat back in and we're done. Peace.